Along the edges on the inside, we have gold rings. Some are above the lace. As we get more to the outside, they're on the hemline on the lace. You're gonna lift the train up. And we have gold hook and claw clips going down the train. You'll start, the hardest one to get is this center one. You're gonna start here in the center and see a little gold bead. Follow the seam line up. Gold bead on the gold ring. And just connect the two. Okay, you'll follow the hemline around. Here we have a light pink bead, and we come over here to the claw clip. Okay, kind of the pinky coral to the pinky coral. Blue to blue. Pink to pink. I'm just matching the colors up all along the way. Okay, we've got the other side all connected together. We're gonna drop it and just shake it out.